be talking about the Phi correlation. So Phi basically measures how two yes or no things are connected. So ang pwede example nito ay, do coffee drinkers stay awake in class? Or just bringing an umbrella helps you avoid getting wet? Oo. Pwede example yan. Kasi Phi help us see if these yes or no events actually match up. Gets na. Pero I think sila hindi pa. If that's so, let us provide you some real-life examples. Are you guys ready? Yes or no? Yes!
For this topic, let us first discuss the final interpretation table.
Whereas 0.7 to 1.0 is interpreted as strong positive, 0.3 to 0.7 is moderate positive, 0.1 to 0.3 is weak positive, 0 is no correlation, negative 0.1 to negative 0.3 is weak negative, negative 0.3 to negative 0.7 is moderate negative, and negative 0.7 to negative 1.0 is strong negative.
Before solving problems, we need to understand the Phi correlation table. It uses a 2 by 2 table, which means 2 columns and 2 rows. Also, it is used for binary variables, meaning yes or no only. This is how the table looks like. As you can see, there are letters. The letters A, B, C, and D are just labels. They are representations of all possible combinations of yes and no between the two variables. Let's say the first variable is x and the second variable is y. A means yes and yes. Both variables are yes. B means yes and no. X is yes, y is no. C means no and yes. X is no, y is yes. D means no and no. Both variables are no. When given data, we place the values in the correct box. These values of letter A, B, C, and D will be later used in the Phi correlation formula. After understanding the table, let's move on to the Phi correlation formula. Now, this is the Phi correlation formula. Don't be intimidated. All we have to do is substitute the values from the 2 by 2 table into this formula. To understand it better, let's look to the example. Where 4 students reviewed and passed, 1 reviewed and failed, 2 did not review and passed, and 3 did not review and failed. First, let's construct the table. On the side, we place the action, reviewed and did not review. On the top, we place the result, passed and failed. Now, let's fill in the table. 4 students reviewed and passed, so we place 4 were reviewed and passed meet. Next, 1 student reviewed and failed, so we place 1 were reviewed and failed meet. Next one, 2 students did not review and passed, so we place the number 2 where did not review and passed meet. Lastly, 3 students did not review and failed, so we place the number 3 where did not review and failed meet. So now, our table is complete, but it is not the end. We will move on to substituting it to our Phi formula. From the table, A is equals to 4, B is equals to 1, C is equals to 2, and D is equals to 3. We will put the numbers in the formula where they belong. After substituting the values, this is our equation looks like. 4 times 3 minus 1 times 2 over the square root of 4 plus 1 times 2 plus 3 times 4 plus 2 times 1 plus 3. If your scientific calculator can handle it, you may compute it directly. If not, let's solve it manually. So for the continuation of our equation, following the PEMDAS, sa denominator part, uunahin muna nating ipag-add ang nasa parenthesis bago i-multiply. Ang kakalabasan niya is 12 minus 2 over the square root of 5 times 5 times 6 times 4. After simplifying, we get 10 divided by the square root of 600. The square root of 600 is 24.49. Finally, 10 divided by 24.49 equals 0.41.
And for our answer 0.41, based on the correlation table, it is interpreted as moderate positive. Therefore, the relationship between reviewing the night before the exam and passing the quiz is moderate positive correlation.
Thank you for listening, and we hope that you understand what phi correlation is all about. See you on next video. Bye!
Ayan mo na? Hindi pa.
Hala! Ha? Nandun ka